Hello, welcome to this installment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner, and today we are looking at some fully trimmed Jaguar XK racing bucket seats. So as I'm sure you guys are aware, the majority of the XKs, that being the XK120, 140 and 150, they left the factory, the majority of them, with what you refer to as the bench style seats. So these kind of L-shaped seats that went from left to right on the car, that meant effectively when they were all in place, you effectively had one big bench between the driver and passenger. They did vary between the various models, so the 120s, 140s, 150s, and in fact, further down in the spectrum in terms of they vary between roadsters, fixed head and drop head coupe models as well. But the overall principle of them the same in terms of the basic styling of a bench seat. So that was what the majority of the XKs left in, and of course that's what we can provide if that's what you need. In fact, that's what we do as our bread and butter for XKs. But some cars did leave the factory with these racing bucket seats, and it kind of goes with the name. They were generally used for the XKs that were raced, as they offer a lot more lateral support due to the side bolster curves. And so what we can do is we can either restore your original ones if you're lucky enough to have original bucket seats, or we can use aftermarket frames and supply them fully trimmed up. So they come with brand new frames, hardware, seat covers. The seat covers are generally leather, with just the backs done in Moquette, which is a very high quality wool-based material that Jaguar commonly used during this period for the backings of seats and sometimes on the wheel arch covers and things like that. It's effectively a short pile, non-backed carpet-like material, so it ties in with all of the sort of carpet colours and things like that. This particular set has been done in a two-tone spec. The gentleman over in Australia who we're making these for has gone for a complete two-tone interior. The majority main colour is grey, or Savo Grey, which is our sort of darker grey colour. And the leather elements have been done in our grained leather. We can also offer smooth leather for the majority of our colours, so do see the website for more details on that. And then the secondary colour is this pale blue, which is our powder blue colour, again in grained leather. The seats have then been piped in Savo Grey, and the backs have been done in Savo Grey Moquette. The rest of the gentleman's interior follows a similar theme, but the primary colour is grey. So I think the only other blue elements are part of the centre cushion armrest in between the seats, then the dash fascia he's gone for in the blue as well, and then I believe he's gone for front floor overmats in blue, but the majority of the carpet set is grey, I believe. So it should look really nice, and hopefully we'll get some photos up on our website in the coming months once everything is said and done. But yeah, I thought I'd do a nice video of this. I have done other videos of our XK bucket seats. I've actually done a few showing them trimmed up, but also another one where I've shown some of the hardware elements and covers elements of things. So do check those out. There'll be links at the end of this video to those videos, but obviously just like and subscribe to our channel and you'll get all of the other updates as well. But I thought I'd do a quick video showing these because of the two-tone colour scheme, because they look absolutely lovely. So I'm not going to go into too much depth on it because, like I say, I've got other videos out there. But effectively, they've been done to the factory spec in terms of the material spec, not necessarily the colours. So Jaguar did offer some two-tone colour schemes, but none in these particular colours. This is a bit of a custom two-tone colour scheme. But the cushion bases, which are a detachable effective unit that gets trimmed up and then inserted into the framework there. Everything's leather. The pleated panel are genuine tuck and roll pleats. Then we've got this middle piping here, and then the front panel, the raised section of the moulded foam there. If I try and get the angle on there, you can see, is the powder blue. It's then got the surrounding leather there, and even this tab that helps you pull the base out of the frame on the bottom is done in leather as well. The underside is ply with a latex moulded foam in the middle of it. Then we've got this finisher scrim on the bottom of it there. So that's there. The cushion then has, on the framework itself, has this section trimmed around the metalwork there, but the back section isn't because it's hidden up by the surround of the backrest and the thickness element of it. Then the cushion, the backrest squabs, very similar principle. Genuine tuck and roll pleats, pleated panels in grey, side bolsters in powder blue, then piped in Savo Grey, and the Moquette on the back. They are tilting as well, like that. But as you can see, really, really nice, nicely trimmed definition. We love doing these seats here. But yeah, thought I'd just do a quick one just to show you a nice two-tone element that we can offer if you want. But be sure to check out our other videos showing the XK seats, not just the bucket seats but also the bench style seats. Obviously, if you've got any questions, do let me know, either via our contact page on our website or via our email, or even in the comment section below if you wish. But yeah, thought I'd just do a very quick video showcasing that. Hope you like the look of them. Obviously, if you want some, let me know. Thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.